Hi, I'm Sandy Sandler, the creator of the Bowdabra Bow Maker. Today I'm going to take a really simple blue straw hat and turn it into a patriotic party hat. So let's get started. So now I'm going to take my star-spangled ribbon and just lay that down into the Bowdabra. I've already dovetailed the ends, and I'm going to take the red jute and lay that into my Bowdabra, and then take my natural colored jute and lay that down into my Bowdabra. And these are all wired ribbons that come in our Patriotic kit. So now I'm going to do is take my star-spangled ribbon, twist it, and scrunch that down. Now fold it back over, twist it, and scrunch it in. And I'm going to keep doing the same thing. Fold it and twist, and fold and twist. And then I'm just going to fold it back over here and just scrunch it in right side up. So I'm going to take my wand and just give everything a good little push there. And then I'm going to take this ribbon, and what's really cool is I'm going to fold it in half and take the right side of the ribbon and put that down into my Bowdabra. But I want to actually have it facing so my flag will be up, right side up. So now, in order to make this flag, what I do is I come back over here, put the wrong side of the ribbon down, and then I have a loop here. Then what I'll do is cross this over here, and I'm going to make just an X. Again, take the right side of the ribbon, scrunch that down. And then I'll take the under piece and scrunch that in, and then take this and scrunch it in. And what's great about this ribbon and the way we made it is now the flags are all going the correct direction. And then I have this really cool patriotic rose that I think I picked from a bunch that I purchased just the other day at Walmart. And now I'm going to just scrunch everything in here and bring my wire back up and pull it through the slip knot, pull it really tight while it's still in the Bowdabra, and I'll pull it out. This way I don't have to struggle with my bow. Separate the ends, bring it around to the back, and I'm just going to tie a knot and tie another knot. And then I'm going to just shape my bow. I'm going to kind of bring my rose, bend this down a little bit, and bring the rose up here. And let's push that over and just shape my bow, pull my loops out here, and bring my tails straight down here. So I just love, I'm just in such a patriotic, been very patriotic lately. And pull this down here. And what I love about this and our patriotic ribbon kit is that it's so, has so many different ribbons in it. And now to use this bow, even though I made this for the hat, this would be a perfect wreath bow. And you could just tie it with your Bowdabra bow wire onto a wreath. But what I'm going to do, because I'm attaching it to the hat, I'm going to use a couple zots to attach it, but you can use glue, a glue gun. That's probably what I would recommend, but it's just very hard for me in my studio here to use a glue gun. So then I'm just going to take my hat and I'm going to just put this onto the side where the ribbon comes together. And now you have this really cool patriotic hat. Now, please don't forget to follow us at Bowdabra on Facebook and subscribe to our Bowdabra Today YouTube channel. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.